Hello and welcome to Dedicated Dentist 32 Reasons Why. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Studying and revising 8 subjects in final year BDS is a task. So, here I am to the rescue. Now, whether you are studying on regular basis or you have exams approaching and your cortisols are high, you have to revise final year syllabus in a month. So, I have a weekly and monthly timetable for you. Also, I'll give you some tricks to manage time in exams in the upcoming video. Now, so make sure you watch till the end and not regret later. Now, we all hate the monotonous Mondays, so we'll treat ourselves by studying easy subjects on that day. Now, we'll study pedo and endo together. Now, we are not studying 2 subjects in a day, we are studying 1 subject. That is, we'll study the common topics in pedo in endo. Pediatric endodontics, vital pulp therapy, and pediatric aesthetics along with endo. On Tuesday, we'll study pedo and ortho. Again, there are various chapters common in ortho and pedo, like we have growth and development, occlusion and malocclusion, and space maintainer. So we can study these topics together. Now, pediatric endodontics is a mixture of concepts of various endo and ortho and oral surgery topics. So combining this with the other subjects, we can save much time and we can complete major and important portion of pedo. And now we remain with very few chapters that we can complete any day as per our convenience. Okay, so you can make alterations in the timetable, but I suggest you keep this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday timetable constant. One more important thing I'd like to advise you, that is this vital pulp therapy in pedo and endo. So you study it at the same time because it's a little confusing, and this will you'll remember it more. Also, when you get a question about treatment modalities, so you'll not get confused. So this way we'll study pedo endo on Monday. On Tuesday you can take pedo and ortho, and on Wednesday you can study the remaining chapters of endo and ortho. Now, these are the subjects that are little vast, like oral surgery, OMDR, prostho, and PhD. So I suggest you devote a whole day to OMDR, OS, prostho, and PhD. And you can adjust perio among these days because perio has an easy terminology and it can be easiest of all, so it can be studied with either of the subjects. You can adjust that in the timetable. Either you can study perio every day for 3 days, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 1 chapter each day along with these subjects. Now Sunday is the fun day, so let's restrict only 1 subject, that is PhD, to it. So as most of you find it difficult, it has a lot of things to memorize, so you can keep it this way and study PhD on Sunday, so you can devote more time to it. Let's move on to the monthly timetable for revision. Like I talked before, pedo and endo, pedo and ortho, we can combine them and revise those chapters by giving 2 days to each. Pedo and endo 2 days, pedo and ortho 2 days. Now we are left with the remaining chapters, so we'll give 3 days to that individual subject pedo, 4 days to endo, and 4 days to ortho. Now there are subjects that are easy or has less portion and can be completed in 3 days, so you can give 3 days to prostho and perio. And the subjects like PhD, OS, and OMDR, you can give 4 days to those individual subjects. Now, being consistent is the key. You have to study and keep revising throughout the year so that you can benefit with this timetable and revise in a month. Also, I like to suggest that when you divide the subject into days, divide the chapters accordingly and complete the first small and easy chapter so that you won't stress out much and you'll have this feeling of accomplishment with each passing day, and you'll get confidence in yourself and study enthusiastically. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.